Welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce. So today video agenda is configure local development server in LWC and how to use LWC Dev Server. So these are some important commands in Salesforce LWC. You can see first SFDC plugins installed. First of all, we need to install this @salesforce slash LWC dev server. This is the basic need when you want to execute localhost in your machine with using VS Code. So first of all, we need to this LWC server, dev server, and after that SFDX plugins updates. So this is the second command to update the all plugins related to the SFDX, and after that the finally to execute this local host. So we need to start the server with this command like lightning LWC start. This is the last command to start the server. So let me open my Salesforce org, and then after that you can see like this. I logged in my Salesforce org and open my Visual Studio Code, and let me create a basic component, LWC component. So let me click just Control Shift V and create lightning web component, and this component is demo, and this enter root folder this and enter. After that you can see a newly component is created like demo.js. So first of all, we need to configure .xml file, meta.xml file. So just click this demo.xml, and this demo.xml we need to is export true. And how to expose this and which object you want to expose, so we need to change this. So let me copy this metadata file and paste it here, and like master level should be like anything if you want. So this is a demo, so I just press demo, and after that you can see one file like demo.js and HTML. So we need to write some alert. So just need like lightning button. So just copy this lightning button here, Control C, and demo.html paste it here. Wait, copy and paste it here. After pasting it, just change the label name like demo button, and this demo button I want to click this button and show the pop-up. So just we need to like on click function, so pop-up, okay, and go to the demo.js file, and this demo.js file you can write your function like so pop-up, and write your function so pop-up here, and this is the function definitions and body, and this body we can write like alert hello dev server. Okay, so just need to be saved, and I already running, you can see here the dev server. So just we need to open the browser. So just come to here and go to home. This is the local host, you can see here this is the local host. Okay, like this is the local host. Okay, and you can see here like this is local development server, and this is the root directory Salesforce app, and this is the packages. Under the force.app you can see different types of component here like this component. Okay, and you can see all component here. Okay, so just let me search my component like demo and click here demo. Okay, after demo you can see this button like this, demo button. Just need to be click this. Let me click this demo button and you can see this pop-up. Okay, hello dev server. You can see this. This is coming from JS file. Okay, JS file. This is coming from component. Okay, so I hope you like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Like, share, comments. So we'll be right back on next session. So please stay tuned for next session for more updates. Okay, bye. Thank you.